Pull up.
Frank.
Headshot.
Frank.
Sit down.
Frank.
Stand up.
Frank.
Pass out.
Frank.
Wake up.
Frank.
Fade it.
Frank.
Fade it.
Oh man, I'm late.
She I've been waiting. Waiting on that time. Feel me if you've been waiting on yours. That moment, it's close. It's close. It's close.
Yeah. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. Waiting on my
Old dude met mom, it was on. Then he named me over a phone. Prison term, live and learn, sip and serve with my vision blurred. Take this cup of reality, niggas finna earn. When you start from the bottom, you
I'm sorry, boss. I'm late again.
Son, it's 10:30. Where were you?
I overslept again.
This is the third day in a row. This has to stop or else you will get fired.
I know my alarm is just...
Well, you need to get a new alarm or something because this isn't working.
I'm trying to, boss, but I don't get paid
Try
that
harder.
much. I can't
No,
afford it.
try harder.
Just
I mean, they
no-
sell alarms everywhere. Can't you just get a new one?
I can't afford it. You don't pay me that much. I mean,
All right, son. Just try harder or else I'm going to fire
I'll
you.
try.
All right. Get to work.
Man, I should chill with my boy today. Let me text him.
B.I.G. Go for it. Oh God.
oh, my boy text me.
Okay, ain't nobody fucking
I'm
with
gonna
my
go chill with
click.
my boy today.
Click.
Who is it?
It's me.
Oh, what's up, my boy?
Yeah.
Good. You alright, man? Look like you had a rough day.
I did, man. Work, man.
Work is terrible, man. I was watching the game. What's so bad? What happened?
Woke up late again.
Again?
Yeah, bro.
Perfect. What did you say this time?
She was just like, next time, you gonna fire me. So you gotta do something about it.
I don't know. Actually, my sister was just telling me about this new alarm clock she got. She was talking about, yeah, she said it had wheels. I was like, hey. She said it was pretty effective though. I was like, yeah, I'm not getting it. But I don't know. I mean, that could always be an option. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Cool. No, where I can get it. I think she said she got it at like Walmart or something. Sure. These Falcons though.
Hey, brother. Hey, come here, man. Hey, you know, I got a big problem, you know.
What's going on?
I see, like, I bought one of these alarm clocks on the go, on wheels, and it came with a whole box.
You know, I've been looking for a alarm clock because I've been late to work every day and my boss is trying to fire me for now. So, I mean, is it really good?
Yeah, man, I can sell it to you for the low, man.
Hello, how low are you talking?
$5.
That's all I got on. Might as well. See if it works.
All right, man. Thank you.
All right.
Hey, you will never be late for work again, man.
Cool, bro. Hope not.
Guarantee, bro.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this what they want? Yeah. You see it. They want, nigga.
about something else, man. Well, it's only 6 o'clock. I have to be to work until 8.
I woke up, boy, it's time to get it.
Work out.
Walking to the window, saw the city, thank God I woke up. Feeling like the mother realest. Living, but it's time to make a killing, thank God I woke up. Trying to get it every day. Make 100 million run away. Wait, I woke up. Tell these boys they gotta pay.
What's up, man?
Run away. I woke up. Thank God I woke up. Wifey,
It works, man.
I'm living right.
When it come to getting over you, baby, well, I can't get off the ground. But they call me the Superman lover, yeah. Say they call me the Superman lover, yeah.
Woo, can't see me.
But something wrong with me to see. Something wrong, yeah, yes it is. Faster than a speeding bullet. I've outflown a few, yes I have.
What's going on, boss?
What's going on, son? See you showed up on time today.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Congratulations.
Sir. Thanks,
Congratulations.
man. Thanks.
You've been coming on time lately.
Oh, yeah. Got this new alarm clock, man.
It's good to see the improvement. You know what, man? Since you've been doing so good, I think I'll give you a raise. All right?
Raise, bro? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm not your bruh, but I'll give you a raise. How about 5%? Is that good?
10%.
10.
Hey,
Do you think you deserve a 10% raise?
Yes, sir. I mean,
I'll give you 7%, son.
7%. Okay, I'll take that.
All right. Back to work now. No need to shake my hand.
Let's put it in perspective. See one made you realize. Two, that's when the game.
Oh, what's up, my boy? What's going on? Hey, I'm gonna call you back later. My friend's coming. Hey, you come in, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you're looking pretty clean today.
Man. I don't know, man.
Good day?
Yes, bro. I've been having a lot of good days lately.
For real?
Yeah, man. I was coming home from work, and then when I was walking to the garage, man, this man, he had some alarm clocks. No, alarm clocks he was telling me about.
For real?
Yeah, he had them for the low.
They're legit?
Legit, bro. And my boss ended up giving me a raise.
No, just from the alarm clock?
Yes, bro. Been on time. Been able to do everything, man. Been able to do everything, man.
Just from that alarm clock?
Yes, man. That's just waking up on time, man.
No,
Great time.
I bet. Been able to get stuff done in the mornings too because you got extra time?
Oh yeah. Talking to my girl, man. I've been working out.
For sure. I might have to cop me one.
Yeah, man. Oh man, I just bought this new car, bro.
Bruh, stop playing.
This car's plays.
Stop playing.
Yes.
Oh, let's go. We
outside,
had to go see this. Oh, this one right here? Oh, that thing. Woo! Crossing 300. That thing is clean. Woo! That's good.
I got out of my family, I ain't gon' front. Ain't nothing more important than the success.
Got the chrome wheels.
Yeah.
Wrong, bro.
Free OCB.
Oh, boy.
Dope boy cash out with us.
Check out the interior.
Yeah. I'ma tell you like a rich nigga told me.
Boy.
Finally famous, nigga. Ain't nothing more important.
This what it did for me. Who knows what it can do for you?
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. God. Praise God. Hallelujah. Tell the police I'ma stack this paper till I overdose.
Oh man. Late, man.
Headshot. Sit down. Stand up. Pass out. Wake up. Fade it. Fade it.
Nah, I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in the
How you turn it off?
And the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it.
What's up, bro?
You lose your mind? What's wrong with you? Whoa! What's going on?
Then somebody said to me, nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive.